Hello guys, welcome. It's your boy Clovet.
Ce que nous voulons réaliser, ça c'est une turbine en bois. Ça c'est une turbine en bois. Donc en principe, dans nos projets, c'est de faire des turbines en bois comme ça pour produire de l'électricité.
Makerspaces are closing the gap between theory and practice by offering young Africans the chance to develop hands-on skills in fields like engineering, coding, robotics, and product design. I visited some to find out how these spaces are taking innovation forward in their own little but significant ways, whether it's by producing prototypes for future maker projects, or assisting small businesses and young entrepreneurs to bring their ideas to life, or even by scaling up already existing production. Here's how Makerspaces and Fablabs are driving innovation forward in Africa. Across the continent, these collaborative spaces are driving groundbreaking ideas and equipping the next generation of innovators with the tools and skills they need to thrive. So what are Fab Labs and Makerspaces? A makerspace is a physical space where people come together to collaborate, share resources, and bring their ideas to life. It's like a creative workshop where anyone, be it students, hobbyists, or professionals, can access tools like 3D printers, laser cutters, electronics, and even traditional crafting tools. A Fab Lab, on the other hand, also known as Fabrication Laboratory, is a more specialized version of a makerspace. It emphasizes digital fabrication, the kind of tech that allows rapid prototyping of innovative ideas. Think of it as a place where dreams turn into prototypes and then into products. These spaces allow people to create anything from tech gadgets to furniture and even medical devices. Nigeria's Innovate Hub and Cameroon's Renewable Energy Fab Lab and High-Tech Centers are examples of such, and they serve as spaces for innovation and entrepreneurship. Here, budding innovators get hands-on experience, access to mentorship, and opportunities to develop tech-driven solutions to local problems. So what is the impact these spaces are having on innovation in Africa? Africa is home to a rapidly growing population of youthful entrepreneurs. However, traditional education system often falls short in providing the practical skills needed in today's digital world. This is where Makerspaces come in, bridging the skills gap. Africa's youth population is booming, but many educational systems are outdated and theoretical. Makerspaces step in to fill this gap by offering hands-on learning experiences. These spaces teach valuable technical entrepreneurial skills that aren't always taught in traditional schools. By fostering these skills, Makerspaces are equipping Africa's next generation of innovators to thrive in a rapidly evolving digital economy. In particular, youth-led makerspaces across the continent are helping bridge this gap by teaching skills that are immediately applicable in the real world. This means young Africans can move from learning to creating and ultimately to earning, providing access to advanced technology. Makerspaces and Fab Labs bring cutting-edge technology like 3D printers, CNC machines, and laser cutters into the hands of everyday people. In many parts of Africa, these advanced tools would otherwise be inaccessible due to cost or geographical barriers. By offering access to these technologies, Makerspaces empower local innovators to prototype their ideas quickly and affordably, solving local problems with local solutions. One of the most profound impacts of makerspaces is their ability to drive localized innovation. Rather than importing solutions from abroad, makerspaces empower local innovators to solve their own communities' challenges. Whether it's developing affordable healthcare devices, building sustainable energy solutions, or creating low-cost educational tools, these spaces provide a platform for Africans to innovate solutions that fit their own local context. By tapping into local expertise, those innovations are far more effective and relevant than imported alternatives, fostering collaboration and entrepreneurship. Makerspaces are not just places to build, they are hubs for collaboration and networking. By bringing together people with diverse skill sets, they create an environment where ideas can flourish and be refined. Makerspaces often connect innovators with mentors, investors, and business incubators, helping turn prototypes into viable businesses. For example, places like Innovate Hub in Nigeria go beyond providing technical tools. They offer mentorship, networking opportunities, and business support to help innovators scale their project from idea to market. Promoting sustainable development. Lastly, Makerspaces and Fablabs are increasingly focused on sustainable innovation by providing tools like low-cost, eco-friendly product development. These spaces are encouraging innovators to create solutions that address Africa's unique environmental challenges, whether it's through designing renewable energy systems, developing sustainable material, or building low-cost housing. Makerspaces are proving that innovation doesn't have to come at the cost of the planet. In Algiers, for instance, makers are using FabLab technologies to develop solar-powered solutions for rural areas. And right here in Cameroon, our very own renewable energy FabLab is designing prototypes for future small-scale hydroelectric energy systems. These projects demonstrate how FabLabs are tackling both economic and environmental challenges head-on. It's always exciting visiting Makerspaces and Fablabs, discussing with some of the people at the forefront of these endeavors and getting to see firsthand just how much difference these spaces can make. The best part, anyone can get involved. Makerspaces and Fablabs are open to people from all walks of life, from students to small business owners, from hobbies to tech enthusiasts. They are easy in their access to cutting-edge tools and breaking down barriers to innovation. So whether you're building a tech startup or designing a community project, Makerspaces and Fablabs provide a perfect environment to experiment, fail, learn, and ultimately succeed.
Anyways, it's been your boy Clover, guys. Like and subscribe for more. See you all in the next one. Thank you.